Yes, Subrashta.
Arnab, let me expose the sensitivity of the Bihar government today, because he comes from the Bihar Nitish Manch, Mr. Satyaprakash Mishra. Please tell me what kind of a Vaicharik Satvikta is this, that a journalist of the caliber of Vimal Yadav, yes, I completely, I give him due respect with respect to the vichar that he is trying to propagate and he is trying to defend. This Vimal Yadav,
उसके बाद अब
सत्यप्रकाश जी, मैंने सवाल पूछा भी नहीं है, अभी सवाल भी नहीं पूछा, आप क्यों हड़बड़ा रहे हैं? The sensitivity of the extreme sensitivity of the Chief Minister of Bihar is this, Arnab, that today when this journalist is, he is no ordinary journalist, let me tell you. He has been covering crimes for a long time. He keeps making due representations in court. He appealed to the state government to give him gun license because his life was under threat. All of this is a part of administrative record. If I'm saying something wrong, please ask Satyaprakash Mishra to correct me here itself. After the gruesome killing of this journalist, and let me tell you how he was killed. Some people went to his place at 5:15 a.m. in the morning, called out his name. The moment he moved out of his moved out of his house, he was point blank shot. He leaves behind an 18-year-old son. He leaves behind a grieving father who already lost another son, and he leaves behind a grieving wife. Now, what is the response of Nitish Kumar government and Nitish Kumar himself? He says, अरे हमको तो जब पता चला हमने अधिकारियों को कह दिया, और उन अधिकारियों ने जाके क्या किया नीतीश जी? 20,000 का चेक थमा करके आ रहे थे. Now, let me ask you, Arnab, what Vaicharik Manch guy, this Vaicharik Manch person who is sitting here, can he tell me is the cost of a journalist 20,000 rupees? What kind of nonsense was Nitish Kumar trying to propound today? Please tell me.
Shame.
And if these people believe in Samajwad, and there is a Samajwadi person sitting here, let me ask a simple question. 20,000 रुपए में आप अपने घर का एक महीने का बजट आप रन करके दिखा दीजिए और तब आप बात कीजिएगा. Somebody a father who lost a son today, a wife who loses a husband today, a son who lost a father today, is brandished a check of 20,000 rupees. Just today, it's not even, उनकी तो अभी तो चिता की आग ठंडी भी नहीं हुई होगी, और ये आज हमको बताएंगे कि बिहार में क्या चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है. इस पे हम पॉलिटिकल बहस करेंगे. As somebody who has come from from the field of journalism at some point in time, I did some very good journalism. Let me tell you, I am pained, and this is not the Nitish Kumar I endorsed in 2015. And now let me make it political, Mr. Satyaprakash Mishra. I will appeal to every journalist in Bihar and every woman in Bihar to never ever think of voting for Nitish Kumar. This person has become extremely insensitive, so power hungry that he is not able to see through his own hypocrisy. He is not able to see through his own illicit. This is called illicit morality.
Lens of the right wing, you will see Nitish Kumar as
stand with Nitish Kumar
whatever you